So every great home cook and kitchen should have a couple of really wonderful pieces of servingware. Whether you're making a weeknight dinner or assembling a holiday spread, a couple of really good platters and plates and serving dishes that really present your food beautifully. And this is one of those things that it took me a couple of years to really understand the value in having a couple of very, very beautiful platters and whatnot. So I'm excited to share with you one of my favorite companies I've discovered this year. They are Jefferson Street Ceramics, and they're out of Salt Lake City, my home state, and they just make beautiful, beautiful products. Everything is American, handmade. It's a wonderful small business to support, and their glazes are all non-toxic. They're perfect. I think the thing that I love most about their designs is that they're perfectly imperfect. In each piece that you get, you feel that it is unique to you and your table and your family, but yet they're so beautiful, so beautiful. So I always like investing in really neutral colors and a lot of white, because then I feel like anything is gonna look good on them. If you get too crazy with colors in your servingware, it can feel sometimes like you're not always going to reach for the bright green platter or whatnot. So I love this kind of like a flecked pattern throughout, and the beautiful terracotta-like rim. So pretty. The other thing I love about what they do is they make product that is durable enough for the chef in mind, which means that in your home kitchen, it's going to hold up. It's not too fragile. Dishwasher safe, microwave safe, oven safe, obviously. They're basically indestructible, yet you feel like you're getting a piece of handmade servingware that is beautiful and durable. So these guys are really special, a really neat company. I also love the idea of having a collection of servingware pieces that means something beyond just buying them at a big box store. So this is a wonderful company to check out, beautiful stuff, and they've definitely been a favorite this year.